What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Nike Joyride Dual Run Men's Black. Alright, let's take a look at this shoe. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, they're coming up orange box with a white Nike checks on it. Alright, now let's take a look at these sneakers. Let me get a 360 of these sneakers. Alright, now if you're a runner, you're gonna love these sneakers, okay? Because this is new technology. These sneakers are very light. Alright, they feel very light, and well, this is what everybody's talking about. The micro beads, okay, placed inside the shoe in the midsole and also the heels, okay? They're supposed to contour according to the way that your feet is shaped. So you have a smooth run, a comfortable run, probably less injury, all right? Probably a longer run. Whether you're running 2 miles or you're running 30 miles, these sneakers are right here are gonna give you that longevity, that durability that you need. I definitely would love to try these sneakers out, and I'm definitely gonna buy one of these because running is one of my hobbies. If you're a jogger or if you're a runner, I suggest to buy one of these sneakers. It'll definitely make a difference in how you run, how long you run, and how fast you run. The better the sneaker on your feet, the better your performance. It's basically a shoe that's, if you know what I mean, like it's like one size fits all. It's almost like anybody can wear this shoe. That's what I'm thinking, right? If these micro beads are made to contour to the way your feet are shaped, it means anybody can wear this shoe. Anybody can run in this shoe. I give Nike a lot of, how do you say, kudos, all right, for making a sneaker like this, because everybody will be able to buy these sneakers and run in it. Not every sneaker will be able to do what these sneakers does, okay? Because of the micro beads that they put inside, these sneakers definitely will be for running and jogging. You know what I mean? I'll definitely be keeping one of these and running in one of these. I like the way it looks, and I like the way it feels, and better yet, best thing about it, it's very light on the feet. Doesn't weigh much. Okay, we've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new at this channel, please click the subscribe button, and if you're not new and you're already subscribed, please click that like button, share my videos. I appreciate everybody. Until next time, I'm gonna see you guys later. One easy.